Yes, my friends, good morning. I am now out of the house at 8 o'clock in the morning. It was a nice day. I slept at the pool. I had dinner together with them and I had a nice evening. I had time to rest, washed my clothes again, I showered. Today I am trying to go to Cuges-les-Pins. This is maybe like 40 kilometers away from here, and that's supposed to have some paragliding sites, some takeoff sites. Yeah, I'm going to go there, have a nice flight, and maybe reach Fos-sur-Mer today, which is 120 kilometers away from here, to the sister of Christoph. So he linked me up with his sister that I can spend actually this night or tomorrow night, depends when I arrive, at her place. So that helps a lot for sure. For now I am setting back my bike and gonna ride in 5 minutes. I thought it's going to be a easy ride to the landing site, but never easy. It's never easy. I don't know how sometimes I still end up in the mountains. I just want to go flat to the landing site and then hike to the mountain, but not carrying 50 freaking kilograms with me or 60 up the freaking mountain. But this is the road to the landing site. It's the shortest and the least steep. I feel like I'm going crazy. I've been climbing and climbing and climbing, and this mountain does not end. The next curve goes up, then flattens a bit, then the next curve goes again up. And I am just 20 kilometers in the day today, and I have to ride 120. Plus I have to fly. I mean, I want to fly. Just look at this. Again, how much I climbed. Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. Jesus Christ. Ah. Still climbing. Still freaking climbing. Fast forward 1 hour later, after finishing climbing that freaking mountain, I am now at the takeoff site. It's pretty windy here, but yeah, I reached the landing site first, and the people told me that there is a shuttle from the paragliding club that I can actually take. It's costing 5 euros to reach up here, which is completely fine. Yeah, if you like to check out the other videos on my channel from this trip through Europe with a bicycle and a paraglider, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and maybe check out the playlist, check out the videos from my travelings, and I'm sure you'll find something nice to watch. The wind is going crazy here, going nuts. I'm going to die there. Oh shit, yes! Thank God I took off. Oh my God, that was a nice smooth takeoff. I am really happy. Oh shit. Okay, the lines are untangled. Oh my gosh, I have a stone in the trailing edge. The guy asked me before if I want maybe to go away with them because the wind is too strong to take off, and it is indeed strong, yes, but I think I was lucky enough to find pretty soon a time window in which was not that crazy. Okay, here's going up. The wind is really strong.
I don't want to accelerate as yet because I don't need to. I am still in the safe boundaries. It's funny how that I could actually top land, but I won't do that because I'm going to die of thirst. Wow, that's a huge stone in the trailing edge. So basically I am soaring on this thermodynamic wind here. And I am going to keep on soaring until I can maybe make some altitude here. If that's possible. Thank God I didn't give up. This is the takeoff site. Pretty beautiful actually. If the wind wouldn't blow like crazy. You can see the windsock. It kind of comes from south. 8 kilometers per hour speed. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I didn't think I am going to soar on a freaking hill close to Marseille. So Marseille is right there in that direction, and you can see already the ocean as well. This is where I have to head to, so I have to go through all this valley here, heading to Marseille. But at least it's looking flat. I won't have to climb like crazy anymore. Yeah, so for now it's just the helmet camera, because I cannot afford here to take off the second one. And on top of that I don't have it with me. Marseille, I am coming for you. But first, let me just go away from this hill. Yep, just like that. Yeah, I think I am better off if I start to go to land. I think it's much better to do that. Yeah, than to start wandering around there, because then I have a long way to fly to the landing spot, and this might be a bit too tricky, especially with my A-glider. Yeah, that's where I'm coming from. I had to cross these mountains here to my left. Okay, so the wind is the same at the landing site. Let me do one 360 here. Show you the beauty. Or maybe I'm hitting a thermal? Maybe. Oh look, somebody drew a dick in the in the field. Look there. That's a dick. Don't tell me something else. Come on. I think I am making myself slowly ready for landing. Nice landing though, nice landing. This is the stone that I had in my trailing edge. It's not a small one. I don't even know how I didn't see it when I packed my paraglider last time. Wow, this is crazy. Unbelievable. It was just in the trailing edge. Crazy. Yes guys, I landed. And I spoke a bit to the pilots around, and they told me that the wind had a speed of 30 kilometers per hour, up to 35, and it was really at the limit of flying today. Nonetheless, was good. It was a good flight, and I took a huge stone out of my paraglider, as you can see. Anyway, now I am heading to Marseille. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to this channel to stay tuned to see more of my travelings and of the paragliding flights that I will try to bring as many as possible from this trip. Let's keep on touring France and see you in the next one. Bye bye.